Welcome to Black Robot. Before we begin, let me ask you a quick question. Do you know which programming language runs inside your washing machine, your car's airbag controller, or even your microwave? Mm, or inside your TV, inside your mobile phone, anything can be. So, hints, it's not Python or Java, but it can be. Think about that. Yes, it's C. Today we will explore why C is still the king of embedded system and where Python fits in especially for IoT and AI. So why C is core to embedded systems and Python for IoT and AI. So we'll be covering in these course for further education. So think about this. You unlock your car, your smartphone counts your steps, or your fridge beeps when the door is open. All of this happens because of embedded system. Now, can you guess which two languages dominate this world? It is given there, right? One of low level control, C, and one for high level intelligence, Python. So, if you are seeing here, C has been the backbone of embedded system since uh, when the development started off for hardwares. So hardware means you can say the embedded systems. So it always have the microcontrollers. Earlier used to have the microprocessors. So we will be going into more deep regarding these terms what we are discussing currently. So currently if you're seeing it, why Python? Python is widely used in IoT and AI applications nowadays. So inside controllers, yes, C is there. So with C, if you are seeing mostly TensorFlow, Vita, these terms, these machine learning libraries we are using in Python. So why C is core? So it can be efficiency, portability, control, industry standards. So why engineers keep choosing C? Because it is efficient, perfect for tiny microcontrollers, so which is having 8 KB memory, 16 KB. It can be, earlier it used to be in bytes as well. It's portable, write once, use across the devices. So if you are going to the, you know, manufactured in thousand and lakhs of numbers, similar to washing machine, computer, your TV. So this can be the best thing for embedded systems, and also it gives the control. You can manipulate memory and registers inside that according to your need. So there in coming days you will be learning about the GPIOs, PWMs, memory registers, how it is going to perform, and you are controlling them according to your need. Imagine trying to make, you know if you are using these things, right? So these efficiency, portability is there, control is there, then industry control standards dominate in businesses always. You know, if you are going for, right, suppose you are going for any application there. Okay, so it is LED, suppose, right? So LED, how it is, you are trying to make a blink of that. So blink, if you are seeing here blink, right? Blink. So in that case, how you are going to control that? So these kind of uh, you know code you are going to write into the C. So one line of code can turn hardware pins on and off, and that's the power of C. And we are going for the history of C. So C was created in 1972. Then after that, you are seeing ANSI C, introduced in the 1980s. So it has been more than 15 years, 50 years ago. Yes, it's still powering cars, rockets, and medical devices. Why hasn't it died like many other languages? Any guess? No, right? Because nothing beats reliability when hardware is involved. So because low level language easy to handle, and we can handle the memory and registers, so no other languages can handle it. Right. So if you are seeing the evolution, so here still saying elbow, then it came B, then C and side, and size, so currently it is going on. Right. So coming to the key features of C for embedded, here what makes C a superhero for embedded systems. So bitwise operators, perfect for controlling sensors. Right. So if you're seeing here, so bitwise operators, pointer for memory registers access, small memory footprint, and structure efficient coding. So bitwise operators, why bitwise operators are there? Because if you are going for the GPS, suppose for example, they are perfect for controlling the sensors. So you know if we are analog or digital, any kind of sensor there, so we always go for the bitwise operators there. And why pointer we basically use for direct memory register and access. So in further lectures we will get more into the deep about these points. And why small memory footprint, it runs even on devices with just a few kb of ram. So all the controllers comes into the kb is there mostly into the market which we are having. So that's why uh, we go for the small memory footprint. So think about your Arduino, you know, it has only 2 kb of RAM. Could could Python run there? Not really, but C perfectly works. Python cannot. So, what is the real life applications of C? So let's play a quick spotting game. Look around your room right now. TV, washing machine, microwave. So most likely their firmware is written in C. C is everywhere. Okay. So every consumer electronic things, if you're seeing, so these are coming with the inbuilt embedded C. Industrial controllers are there, aerospace and medical devices, automotive use for safety. So most likely, their firmware will be not will be easy in embedded C. So in your car's airbag, right? Even in peacemakers that save lives. That's why engineers trust it. Python for IoT and AI. Why we need it? We have discussed about the C, why we are using, why Python. You know. So now here's where Python enters into the story. Python's like the cool kid, easy to learn with tons of libraries. Have you ever tried running a simple AI model on your laptop? Chances are you use Python. It powers IoT data analysis, visualization, and AI models with TensorFlow, PyTorch, NumPy. And on boards like Raspberry Pi, Python makes project lightning fast to prototype. Nowadays, Jitson Nano is also a best example, right? So you can easily go for NumPy there and Pandas and for modeling, and the PyTorch you can use for AI and ML framework. So these can pretty well run into the Raspberry Pi or Jetson Nano as well there. So it is ideal for rapid prototyping. You can easily prototype related to the AI and ML projects there. Why not only Python? Would you trust Python to open your car's airbag in 0.01 seconds during an accident? Thing? Because Python is high level language, but is not uh, what it can be. No way. Python is powerful, but it's slower and not real time. It takes a lot of time. That's why C handles life critical tasks and Python handles the smart stuff like cloud or AI. So Python is not suitable for all real time or low level tasks there. Never. Because it is having a lot of libraries inside. It takes a lot of time there for execution, but C doesn't. And it also cannot directly control hardware registers. It has slower performance as compared to C as well. So how C and Python work together? You know how it handles. C handles you know firmware drivers, real-time performance. Python handles data analysis, AML cloud, and together how it handles means how it work. Think of it like a tag team. C the strong foundation, firmware drivers, real-time task. Python the brain, data analysis, AI, cloud integration. There's example smart thermostat. C reads temperature from the sensor. Python analyzes uses patterns and predicts when to turn cooling on. Together they make a powerful combo. So we can use Python with the C. So there also on edge also you can do the predictive analysis using the Python. So this kind of analysis you can do using the lots of camera application is there. So when you are reading all the data using the GPU, there you will be using the see with that if you are analyzing the data, there you will be using Python. So that's a great combo. What's a career scope? Do you want to be person who builds the device or the one who makes it smarter with AI? With C, Python, you can do both. Career options as a embedded software engineer, IoT developer, AI/ML for edge devices, robotics engineer. So these skill sets put up in demand across industries. So there is no worry about it. This is not going to die. So so let's wrap up. So if you're seeing what we have discussed till now, C foundation efficient, it's reliable, hardware level control, and it's efficient. Python we can innovate and we can make a IoT Internet of Things, and we can do AI application. We can integrate with the cloud, and there is lot of more things we can do. So together they build the devices of the future. So, so as we move through this course, you will first master C programming, and then we will use Python to unlock the IoT AI and superpowers. So that's it. So we will be meeting in next lecture. Thank you.